Hello students, in this video we will see how to find the length of the string. So actually there is a inbuilt function like strlen function in the string.h header file, but we are not using that function. So we will calculate the length of the string manually. So for that we will see the code in this video. So here first let us understand what is string. So string is nothing but the array of character. What string is nothing but it is a array of character. So like how to declare the character array. So for character array the data type is char, then name of the array, and then we are writing the size of the array. So this is how we can declare the character array. So character array is nothing but what? String. So this is how you can declare the string. Now what I want to find the length of the string. For finding the length of the string I want that that string from the user. So for that purpose in printf I'm just writing the message keep printf enter the string, and with scanf function I am accepting that string. So for accepting string from the user we are using %s format specifier, and here we are using like variable. So here we are not using address of operator or we can say that the ampersand symbol for accepting the string. So here I have accepted the string from the user. Now first let us see how that string is stored into the array. So you can see here suppose you can see from user I have entered this string, like Anita is the string. So now how this string is stored into the memory. So the string is what? It is a character of array, and how the array will be stored into the memory, like in a consecutive memory location. So let's say suppose A is stored here, then N is stored here, then I is stored here, then T, and then A is stored here. So whenever the compiler assign a like character string to a character array, so it automatically supplies, or it automatically add this /0, or we can say that it is a null character. So this null character is automatically added or appended at the end of the every string. So this /0, so this /0 character is called as a null character. Okay, so this is how the string is stored into the memory. And you know that the array is always start from the 0th index. So 0 1 2, then 3 4, and at the 5 null character is there. And suppose this is my array name, like str is the name of the array. So this is how the array is declared, character array is declared, that is nothing but the string. So str is my name of the string, and here this Anita is the string I have passes or I have stored into the array. Okay, so this is how the string is stored. Now I want to find out the length of the string. So how to find the length of the string? So for finding the length I am using one counter variable. So that counter variable I am just using I as a variable for storing the length of the string. So every string is end with the null character, this null character. So for calculating the length I am just using one variable which is start from the 0, like you can see I is equal to 0, which is start from the 0, and that it will iterate from the 0 1 2 3 till the end of the string, and whatever that I value is there, so that is my string length. So that logic I am applying over here. So here I am using the while loop for we can say for the iteration purpose, and that while loop is iterate over that string character from I is equal to 0 to null. So here I am using str of I is not equal to /0. So that means my string array will iterate from 0 to to the end of that array, or we can say to the null character. And here if this condition is true, that means if my whatever the string first character is there, like suppose a is, if it is not equal to null, then I'm just increasing the I value, and I will iterate this whole till the end of that array. And if the condition is true, it will increase the I value. If condition is false, it will come out of the loop and it will print the length of the string. So the length of the string is in the I variable, so that I is the integer variable. So for that purpose I have used %d, and the string is there in the I variable. So now let me run that code. So you can see here Anita string I have entered, and it have not printed the actual length. Okay, here I have not initialized that I equal to 0. Now it will print the, now you can see the length of the string is 5. So we will understand the code with the help of this example. So initially our I value is 0. So in the first, you can see str of 0 is what? A. So that A is not equal to null. So that means A is not equal to null, condition is true, then I value is incremented by 1. So again here the str of 1 which contain n. So this n is not equal to null, again I is increased by 1. So now it the str of 2 contain the I, so that I is not equal to null, that means condition is true. So again I is increased, so I equal to 3 now. So it will check that ki str of 3 is not equal to null, condition true, again I value is increased. It will come here str of 4, like A is not equal to null, condition is true, again it will increase the I value. So now I is equal to 5. So str of 5 is not equal to null. So actually str of 5 contain the null character and which is equal, but we have written the condition not equal to null. So here our while loop is false and we will come out of the loop. So you can see here actual str of this array contain, or actual our string contain the 6 elements like a, n, I, t, a and /0, but the our while loop, the last element is the null character. But our loop does not count that null character, because it terminate when that null character is encountered. So that's why it gives the 5 as the length of the string. So actually it will like counted the how many characters are there, like a, n, I, t, a. So total 5 characters are there. So that's why it print the value as the 5. Now I will show you just with the printing the character. So I want the individual character, so I am using %c, and here that individual character is there in str of I, and again I want to print the I value as well. So for that purpose I am using printf %d and that individual value I. So now you can see the string is Anita, and you can see at 0 A is stored at 0, n is stored at 1, I, t, a. So from 0 to 4. So actual length is 5. So this is how you can calculate the length of the string. Thank you.